Hi, this is a quick review to help teachers get started with First in Math. The first thing you need to do is have your teacher packet with you for the username and password, and then go ahead and Google First in Math and select the first link provided there. Once you are on that link, go ahead and put in your username and password from your packet and click Login. This is the first screen that you always see with the total stickers earned. Go ahead and click the Go button. And if you're new to First in Math, the first thing you'll need to do is add your name as a teacher. So go ahead right here. Teachers are called team leaders. Go ahead and add new. Select the grade level. These are not, you're not able to change those, so please make sure the grade level is accurate. You can call your class anything that you want to. And right here, this is where you put your name, your team leader, school phone number, and email. You also have the option to change your original password if you choose to do that. Once you're in as a team leader, you can click the home button and add students. If you need to go back and change your name or password, you can find the teacher information under Edit Info. So let's go back to home. About halfway down, you will see Show Student Password and Edit Student Information. That's where you input your students. You can assign individual students by name, and we suggest first name, last initial. There's a limited amount of characters. And you just assign them, and you can continue to add names as such. If you wanted to use a spreadsheet, you can click on Copy Roster from Spreadsheet, and it'll give you directions on how to do that. Okay, let's go back to the home page right here. This is also where you can access some tutorial videos. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see tutorial videos, and this will give you a video on how to set up your class, how to access assessment reports, and about the different games that First in Math offers. Right here on the top right hand side is a help menu, and this is good because it'll show you the tech requirements that you need for your computers, and it'll also answer questions such as how do I delete a student, how do I add players, etc., etc. And so that's very helpful. Okay. Let's go ahead and go back, and now we can look at, click home, and right here halfway down you'll see the assessment report summary, and that assessment report summary looks similar to this. If your students have not played it, will be blank. Up here on the top is a little sentence telling you what the red and blue screen squares mean. They left little boxes in here if teachers want to offer incentives for students. Then you can check the box when you've recognized that student for completing that section. And here you have a pull down menu, so you look at reports from each of the different sections. You can also look at the rankings. Go ahead and click on rankings, and you can look at our school district and see the top players that are earning stickers within the district. Now let's go ahead and look at some of the games. In the preview, you can actually play these games, and it does not affect student stickers or anything like that. These are the main games on the bottom left, and within each one it's broken down into additional games. You can go ahead and play these, and remember, in preview mode you will not affect any of your points. Go back to preview for some of the games. These are bonus games, and the numbers do correspond to grade level, so if you want students, you can encourage students to play the bonus games. There are special games if you are K1 and 2, and you have a special link for lower grades. With each of the games, they also have directions. So if you're not sure how to play a game, you can actually go and they'll give you directions on how to play those if you're unsure. And that's about it. The minimum amount of students in a class for you to show up in the district ranking is 15, and the maximum is 36. So if a middle school teacher wants to put in all her students, she'll have to set up a couple of different teams, and she can name them period 1, period 2, etc. That's about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact Carmen Restrepo in Ed Services. Thank you.